Do not forget to like and share my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the Pangong Lake or Pangong So. So means lake in Tibetan language. This is the world's highest saltwater lake with an altitude of 4,350 meters above the sea level. This lake is around 135 kilometers long and it is one-third in India and two-third in China. In India it is for 45 kilometers and in China it is for 89 kilometers. Pangong Lake receives its water from the nearby mountain glaciers which melts and pours in the water. But this is an endorheic lake, which means there is no outflow. There is no way that the water can reach the sea or some other river. Because of this, it is known as endorheic lake. The only way for the water to go out is either by evaporation or it seeps in. Because of this property of Pangong Lake, the water in it is known as the brackish water, which means it is saltier than the fresh water, but it is not as salty as the sea water. The location of Pangong Lake is at the heart of the India-China border dispute in Ladakh. But are the Chinese really interested in the Pangong Lake, or do they have some other plans? For this, we have to switch to the satellite view. These are the mountains near the Pangong Lake. The mountains represent human fingers and that is why they are known as finger points. The finger points are from finger 1 till finger 8. Now, the thing is, the black line which you can see, India claims that their LAC is still the black line. And the red line which you can see, China claims that their LAC is still the red line. Finger 1, 2 and 3 falls in the Indian region and of course it belongs to India. And finger 6, 7, 8 is near to the Chinese LAC and it is a matter of dispute. Recently in May 2020, the Chinese PLA built the military camp at finger 4. And this is where the dispute has started. On finger 4, India already had their army camp. And now it is a matter of dispute between India and China and this region is known as the grey area. The area in dispute is 37,244 square kilometers. At present, India has occupied finger 4 mountain and they are having a closer look at the PLA so that we can understand the move of the Chinese troops. China knows that India has tactical advantage because they have the mountains. As you can see, India controls from finger 1 to finger 4 and it patrols till finger 8. Now, since the Pangong Lake is located at the heart of the Ladakh, you can see to the north of the Pangong Lake is the Galwan Valley where recently the Indian-Chinese troops had a fight and we had lost our 20 soldiers. In the south is the Chushul Valley. Chinese are interested in this Chushul Valley because it is 2 kilometers wide. We can have a very good sight at our enemies. Secondly, it gives us tactical advantage of having deployment of tanks and forces. Also, it can give us operational advantages of road connectivity to Leh. Chinese are interested in the Chushul Valley simply because of the road connectivity to Leh. They know that Chushul Valley is the meeting point of the Indian Army and the PLA. They are taking it as an advantage and they are aware that it is a gateway to the Leh and Chinese can just enter India via Chushul Valley. But we are not gonna give our Chushul Valley to them because we trust the Indian soldiers. The Chinese soldiers are around 40,000 at the LAC, so the Indian soldiers are around 35,000 to protect our country. Also, India is considered to have the best soldiers for the high altitude and mountain warfare. For deployment of tanks and forces, India has deployed its most powerful T-90 Bhishma tank in eastern Ladakh. So we are very well prepared if China declares a war against India. Now it would be a wait and watch game to see whether the matter escalates or de-escalates at the LAC.